Some spilled milk is worth vying over. Farmers Union.
Need a truck or trailer for that interstate or local move? Hire it from HireMate's rental service. Hire it here, leave it there. Depots are in every state. HireMate hires just about everything. Jade and loaders, with or without post hole diggers, barbecues, garden gear, bikes for fun, everything for the handyman. And HireMate's cool cousin, IceMate, will chill your party essentials and put clear, clean mineral water ice on tap in your home, business or club. Just phone for prompt delivery. HireMate and IceMate. You'll find they're good mates to call on whenever you need them.
Jumbo steaks cooked to perfection and cool fresh salads. It's Rump's Restaurant, Adelaide's best steakhouse. But the entertainment is even better. We supply the backing tapes, you do the singing. If you're a voice like Julio, blue eyes like Sinatra, or a body like Madonna, you're on. Or just join in the chorus line. Thursday, Friday and Saturday nights till late. Also open for lunch at great prices. Rump's Restaurant, 155 Weymouth Street City. Have the time of your life at Rump's.
Movieland entertains you. Movieland's got the movies you want to see. Movieland, that's entertainment. There's something there for all the family. The best of the old, more of the new. Yeah. You know we got the movies that are just right for you. Let us entertain you, and you'll have a real good time. Movieland, Movieland. Let us entertain you. Movieland's got the movies you want to see. We got entertainment, action, adventure, and comedy. We'll make you sing and dance, laugh and cry. We know you're gonna love us if you give us a try. So let us entertain you, and you'll have a real good time. Come on, Movieland, we'll entertain you.
He was in her life only 3 weeks. They'd been married for 1 day. He died the next.
Do you seriously believe I killed Alex?
Jigsaw, a compelling Australian movie premiere starring Rebecca Gibney.
You don't investigate someone without a reason.
Ripping apart the fallacies
He's working with a partner, only she got greedy and dumped him off a pier.
from the bare facts. Rebecca Gibney, a widow and a prime suspect in Jigsaw, premiering Wednesday, 8:30 on 9.
On the bass guitar, Mr. Duff Rose.